Welcome guys. Now we are going to learn about multiplication. We'll do a coding to multiply two numbers. I need to tell you something that in coding you can also give comment. This means suppose we are writing a code for multiplication, right? How can the second coder know that you are doing coding for so and so? If you have a long code, then to understand each and every part it might be difficult for the second coder. Okay, so for that we do commenting. Suppose I wrote code for multiplication. Now it shows for as a keyword. See, it is rising white. It means for is a keyword we cannot use. But when we put slash, this thing slash twice, this becomes something which won't reflect in our code. That means it is just a waste. See, you can put this anywhere. After two slash you will write any line. Suppose I wrote anything and I put two slashes, it becomes null. It won't be read by the compiler. It means it is not there. It is just for the understanding basis that the second coder will come to know what that code is all about. We are just commenting. I could also write integer type declaration. Now I will declare an A for first number, B for second number, and mul. See, basically you use those variables via which you can understand. Now we are doing coding for multiplication, and don't put subtraction. You will get confused. Although you can use, but you should be clear, right? You are doing multiplication, so use such kind of variable where you feel like yes, you are doing particular work, and by seeing the variables one may come to know that I am doing such kind of program. I declared three variables, and if it is less, then we can also add some more. Coming to next line, printf and the two numbers to multiply. Now I give instruction to the user that you need to enter two numbers. Now second, what I have to do is I need to take input scanf. Basically you are seeing that in every program we are using scanf to input two numbers and with the same variable E and B. Now I told the user to input two numbers, and we also got the the numbers in A and B. Now what we have to do is we need to apply the algorithm. So algorithm would be A into B, but in variable mul will define A asterisk means to multiply by B, A into B, right? We told the user to input two numbers. We also wrote a code scanf via which the user will enter two code, and that will be accepted in variable A and variable B. We also wrote algorithm via which we got the value in mul. Now the only task that remains is output. Till here if you compile, it will give you success. Warning, okay, mul is not used right now, but it will be used. It says that mul is assigned a value that is never used. We'll use it in printf, but when you use other compiler it is not like this. It won't give you any error. It will successfully say compiled, and you can enter two numbers also, but the main thing is you won't get the value. To get the value, use printf. See, now what you write in middle? The multiplication of a and b is c or mul. Okay, so the value of a will get during our scanf period. So the multiplication of modulus a and modulus b, modulus a, modulus d means integer type. We cannot use the variable. Variable will be declared after this comma. So I'm removing this thing. The multiplication of modulus t and modulus d is modulus d. Now with comma, the first d represents a, second represents b, and third, that is our answer, and answer is in mul. A into b, answer went to mul. I put a semicolon via which, if you would not include this, then there would be an error. Now Alt F9, success, Control plus F9. First number I would like to give is 45. So to test, let's give 10. 45 into 10, 450. Oh yes, we got the answer. The multiplication of 45 and 10 is 450. And it's true, it's right. Means our program is right, correct. This means this block of code did not hamper our code. Okay, now let us remove this code. See, now it has a meaning in the compiler. Now let's see what it gives us. Alt F9. See, it gives us error, 5 errors. Enter. See, many errors. Once we see, now it has no meaning, it is only in the code. Alt F9, success, it will give you answer if Control plus F9 if you press. Now you know the syntax already, you know the syntax. Here we used 3 variables, and in fact we only wanted 3 variables. There are many programs in which you may require only 1 variable, in some you may not require any, in some you may require 5 variables, 10 variables, in some maybe you will require integer only 1. Float type means decimal. Just keep in mind always, float means decimal point. And char, the keyword car, means it will hold very value of a to z. Okay, printf will give you only output, scanf to take input. If by mistake I took input for only 1 variable and I apply this, then again there will be an error, that is logical error. Mul, I got the value. A into b, we all know the answer comes into mul. In programming we need third variable into which we will get the value of operation performed, and after the operation is performed there should be an output. We know 5 plus 6 is 11, but how do we tell? We tell via our mouth, na? Similarly it is by showing. So Alt F9, Control plus F9. Suppose we need to multiply this and this. You can calculate on your mobile phone. That answer is this. Thank you. Now see you in the next video.